Yang wen nyati oringi Dennis ati ko mera patro balla ruby studio penina maten wo yupwa meru pentin wa chawa wen me ko deko no wati kwedi yen mitika na way ko deko penina maten wati ki lok ni ak tun ko malama Uganda tirane ki Acholi inoni Uganda Lands Commission gen go chawo temo kwedi kom ngom weng pagamente matie ilobo Uganda dulman miro kweto ngom weng matie pagamente me Uganda lokmano bene karama gen go lemo ko malama Uganda gen go beri gulu city me tetoki nyolli ka chel ki dano matie ka bedi gulu city ni nan ba ngom eni ngom a ba sha da e f g tie ngom pagamente o me ara patro balla ruby te studio kan an ti privi ki lokom ngom tirani ya chuli gulu city amero winyo tama mege whether Uganda Lands Commission is doing the right thing now. Where have they been? And are our people aware of the government lands in their neighborhood, or they are not aware? If they are not aware, whose responsibility to educate them on the government land?
Afo matea ko ringi. Uganda Land Commission okaro kago bedo kige makloni stakeholders engagement meeting. Ichabiat mukaro eni. Nyochabiat eni. Ma go bino kamiyo tam it dano ngoro loka ngom mubedo katime Igulu City. Ento wamiete bene dano nge ni ada ikar mukaro ngichi wano bedo kamunyo lok ni kimero chato gen makloni the green belt ma Igulu City. Mukene karbene ki wajini ngom ne chalo waka underground madong joma ki en joma mero ngom ka luon lukuo ngom no dakti tu hash joma gitike miri madit I lokum ngom no go kwanyo lokum ngom en yo chi warga mawano chako ko ngone ma ana no makichwa law benindwe a beach miduma bichel ma ali wario ki pierio wi bichel ma kiktemo gen maklone stakeholders meeting regarding allocation of land comprising at Green Valley Badegela Ibi Division Gulu District ngat mo choy warga eni mo luo consultation nyo meeting eni obedo ngat makloni Andrew Nyumba ma meeting eni ada oteme inindwa par bichel miduma bichel Mwali Wario ki Pierre Rio wi bichel joma ki kargi warga eno bedo RDC police commissioner ba degla ibi mayors kidong LCs ma pat mero bedo warga mia chiel oringe warga mukene mia Rio mo karo on this in regards to the same warga minero okaro any stakeholders engagement meeting me munya kwan eni jono miyo ngoma tika time magi wajini the Uganda Land Commission is claiming ownership of 2 blocks of land within Kaunda ground. Timunye? Now, ngoma gemero, one of these includes the green belt stretching from behind Sinabel supermarket to former Gateway Nursery School. Mero gen mo biro miachel. Gulu City Council had already surveyed both blocks and was in the process of securing a land title to safeguard the property. However, Uganda Land Commission wrote to the ministry's zonal office requesting that the city land title application be halted.
So that means that for all this while, Gulu City didn't know that land belongs to Uganda Lands Commission.
And for that, one again, Mati Warga, PMA Chocha ko down on Yang Mabe. PMI kar mangechi dano beruka keji komani ana beruka karo ke lokom ngomeni an pange gi moiken era tiki ngej madong loye wa joma tika kwalo ngomio this is something I wanted them to know I warga chiel makichwala ni ki waine Gulu City Council had planned already to develop the said land into the block A into a green public park under Uganda Cities and Municipal Infrastructure Development USMID program. Kama USMID omiyo funding of 6 billion shillings. However, the ongoing dispute over ownership has put the funding to a halt.
Lokano.
Lo mete wajane in the same notice, Uganda Land Commission has received 15 applicants who are also claiming ownership of the said piece of land. Tika kwanu warga ma Uganda Land Commission uchoyo enendwe apara beach midoma bichiel mwakali bario kipiera rio wia bichiel. Donc kawati lokom ngom pagamente warga eno aki Uganda Lands Commission
Jul maloy lokom ngom pagamente.
Manyuti ngari mo mamiero penyung lokka ngommi. Romo penyune onyo romo yeda ma ana bedo ka lokone chonni onyo romo kwero ne noko biro ne warga ma choy eni. Piem I warga ati ma kwano eni. Ana pa choy sorry. Ma kwano ni.
Yes.
Warga ma kwano tika wachini block mene ma Uganda Lands Commission tika mieto ne. Block mene ma Gulu City o wachi genno gen bene ge mero ge yubu wako bet Green Park kido nga ge apar beach babu biru go wachi gen bene ge mero nga plot eni ma bene go cho nyi
ge mer bot nga
ge mero ki bon nga donc ela penti kenyo ni gitika meto ngomeni ki board Uganda Lands Commission ke go gam ki board Gulu City Council ka bene go gam ki board Gulu City Council bene da kok ni gen bene gi pay ki title ba ngommi Uganda Land Commission wachini Gulu City poramo tich ki ngom eni pimo pay ki title le ada ka bene dong ti ku meru ma Gulu City Council pay ki title ba ngom eni nga dong ko mapo miyo title it Johnny nga mo miyo adivat ni ngom kaunda ground ki kulti mia jo apar bichi guno ki kwe
ngagi
ka ge mero yupo la kori development makining peke kwero iti munyewe ngata mero kelo don lobo oket beno ket kenyu ento kuberi niane tiendano kareo Gulu City petiki ngich e lokum ngome Uganda Land Commission tikwa chi ngome megwa
meuko
ento use mi rubiro bena ki don lo wachine 1 billion abichela wa mero miyone o wego kerlo tela wa kamaraj piem lo tela par bichi wonero chal gelo ku ngom Gulu City donc di yotieneo wan mero Green Park chene beno tie billion abichel don gi pe piem ki wachine ngome title le food picking ki processing donc wati I watching the mercy of Uganda Land Commission mio it sitting ngom weke yube Green Park onyogo kwa ngom go me it any developer to develop the land.
If Gulu City cannot now develop that particular land into the green belt Magitika Miro from the 6 billion pingo pay, they have to now think of another enterprise they wouldn't undertake. Ngome ana green belt green valley can. Don't we have land somewhere that can be developed into green belt? With your own analysis for Gulu man ki chel pa Gulu matie ya dama megi itamane chana if Gulu is to relocate apart from now leaving this contested land, what should this 6 billion be used for without it being returned back?
Ideno use meet pob releasing chana ni
Kapfodi
because when you chana ni mikata kama kana is diversion already.
Yeah, that's corruption.
Corruption. Hotel kwe wano mi nupite go developing a green belt because there's an artistic impression. The Gulu we want, the Gulu you want, the Gulu I want in 10 years. Itu mwenyewe. Wa America mayor batika wadong ching wadong ko wani mayor, you have done a great job. You know Gulu chalo we vu enter you Gulu te command. Now do you any doctor office for mayor? Ni chiene ndong tie. Manyute mayor mamego miruti matek. Nani all this beautiful agenda, all the beautification process, kitmano kino kwere nyo kitmano nong ti kwere development plan, ke meta nyim ki chane pa use midi ki ti kwere. Donc chero ka poko dano ko beri nyo chimo wang mayor ni ini tika timu gina ko man. Mayor has nothing to do with the said piece of land. Mayor tika teach ki development plan madong tie.
Mayor no.
Ma eno no madong tie nyo kini ka en beno no nyo eno kar kwere. His dream is the Gulu you and me want to see. Any Gulu, we should have a green belt, we should have a clean space, we should have all these kind of amenities in Gulu City. Maybe we have another piece of land, Anpalo in Gulu district. and I am just an investigative journalist.
But part. If my memory can serve me right, I can remember in 2024 to 2025, there was that petrol station that was being developed on the same side of land. Who gave the authority to this owner of the petrol station, Mayupo petrol station Kakenyo? Makon kono land commission te wa anongama gulu city pogo ko we kongama on e piano pegi title le man of megukogo. And the development was going on, it took the intervention of the environmentalists to make noise to say that petrol station is stopped. And we have other structures that have been put, including even the supermarket.
There are 15 developers. So out of the 15, probably a chiel. And no chako jipugang money. And on wango berutulo go joro. Any atika kwani list warga ma anano enendwa beach midoma bichel mwakali bario kipiero rio
Pelis papat
ma reference pal nam pangom enitie LMD 009 43014 mero warga ma chiel oringi warga mukene mudonyo ilok achiel ilok komngom eroni ubiro dak chien inendwe kan kichoyo warga mokena mobiro makiber kawajne ma obiro madong ochiaro the secretary magulu site ayochoyo to the secretary Uganda Lands Commission gochoyo warga gi inendwe aboro midoma para rio maka alibario kipiera rio we beach man warga magengo choy bot Uganda Lands Commission tika wachene ni the beautification project under Uganda support for cities and the municipal infrastructure development USMID at Kaunda Ground and Peche Stream Park located in Green Valley Cell, Kanyagoga Ward, Badege Laibi Division. Ma warga eni o akibot town clerk Migulu Mr. Ahimbisiwe Innocent. Tika chiarobot dulme Uganda Lands Commission.
Notifying
them about money magenguno from USMID to develop the same place. Kadong USMID odwa response in Wabichiel. Ni warga munu choy ni wano.
That's the Lands Commission.
Yes. Ento footpuro mete wunu ki project wuni.
Okay.
Pia mo peki ngo, mo peki title.
Okay.
Meno warga mo karo, eno letter B. Ini ana chili ano warga ma kichoy letter C. Ma ki wajani title kichoy warga ini ndwadi. Ini ndwa para bichiel. Midoma beach. Imwaka wali bario kia piera rio wiyangwen. Imagine. We are talking about 2006. I am reading a letter. Makichwalo 2024. Makiti wachiningo ni allocation and titling of land comprised in Badege Laivi Division, Gulu City. Warga eni kichoyo bot the senior registrar of titles ministry zonal office Magulu. Ento warga eni makichoyo when ngat mocho warga ni obedo bendake the Gulu City Town Clerk Mr. Ahimbisiwe Innocent. Mocho yo okoping all the other relevant stakeholders. Matika wacho ngom mene makemero ketiye titling. PM kiti wacho kan the text is a location and titling. This letter tie borakany. Madong loka ngom biro matek. We had to make sure ni all these issues are raised. The final letter mo karo orenge obedenindo piera rio yangwen midoma para chel mwakali bario ke piera rio we beach ma Gulu Ministry Zonal Office a plot number 4A a Princess Road ngoma kichoyo any kichoyo letter to make clarification on land application at Green Valley Cell 1 Kanyagoga Ward clarification on the land ownership. So this land issue, po chakela wo, po chaketin, but this has been an ongoing issue. My noni, o chakewe kar mo kuanti office.
Yep.
And it has been dragging wala wo makekelo gonya I office. Donc kaketika wajene wo kono ngagi kekelo ke kakwalongo mo kakwalongo. These are flimsy conversations. It can't be true.
So there were applications that were tabled
to verify the land, to give marks on the land, to stop these fraudulent sales, and then all of a sudden, who is who in this land conflict? Is it Gulu City or Uganda Land Commission? Ka Uganda Land Commission kuberido biru matika wachene ni gen gemero ngom ada aneti kwe ngom panga. This is the question we should be asking, because at least from the evidence matika rene peti ngaro maroma chimo wani la robi beda lo gope lo kom kaunda ground.
Okay, nyurna dana mo be tie mano gengo kero waraga gi magi be ka penyo ngom ki bota Gulu City ni omini wa ngom eni o mero tim yejem makuman and to Uganda Lands Commission gengo kata me wazani Gulu City ngom eno pemegu ngom oni o penyo ma be ka o be kar me nyutu kero Uganda Lands Commission gengo chere Gulu gengo be kar be en kilo tela be Gulu be tete gi ma be ni onen ba ngom ma wuti ka go ko wi eni ngom eni watie ki waraga ne botwa na watie ki wine ma be mano mero nyutu keto wine tie kwede so nyurni dano mona pa wi bichal keto par wayo kede oni jo oni karatachu gram be kar me boli das bien me penyo ngom mo be ga mero ni mero ti kwede ki Gulu na mero kwan ko nyin dano if you can be able to read that name bien ka nyin jo mono kate kartaj ma pecho in it is important nil do ko be kar ngeo ngagi ano mano gen go be kamero ngom any Green Valley an ka chilge kauna ground
No, ngom dana par bicha tiko di kany.
Yes.
Ki waji mer ni Uganda Land Commission tika tim investigation yo kwed ma megi, but common knowledge watiki dana apara beach.
Okay.
Ngarachiel o gam ngom eka ngwen. Jomo ken ni wengu gamo eka chile.
Okay.
Mabene jo magitika gamo ngwen ngom eni. Joma don magitiga mente.
Okay.
Ma kumberika wan waji ni wakwan nyingi. Bibiri le wich tutwal. Piembene digital media en pa wegege kono TikTok kono gira ngoni. Jomo kene tika gengo nge. Joma tika mieta wilo ngomeni.
Okay.
Utika balo nyingwa. Utika lwenye kumdano. Ngom kaunda groni obobero pe one pe likwari wa pe lotien wa pe generations matika biro angech mwaka ke mwaka weng. Pi ngar motika lok PM ke mer ni ngar ke bol mugata ke chi ngare